everyone. Ever since summer has set in, I've been flooded with queries on how much to water. Am I watering my plants enough? Well, I completely understand your queries, but I would urge you that instead of spoon feeding your plants, you work towards building their immunity, the way yoga helps us build our immunity. And the best way to do that is to have a healthy root system, because plants drink from their roots. So let's quickly dive into and learn how to water the plants correctly. Step 1 is make sure the pot has drainage holes for water to pass out. Avoid watering with a splash. आपको बहुत प्यार से पानी देना है. Now next is when to water. Well, you insert your finger in the soil. Out wet, you can wait for some time to water. If it comes out dry like this, it needs watering. To save time, you classify your plants into low, medium and high water requirements. For example, the succulents, the plants with fleshy leaves, they need once a week watering. That's fine for them. Whereas the chili plant, hibiscus, tulsi, so most plants fall in the medium watering range, which means alternate days watering. And the green leafies, the herbs like oregano, pudina, they need watering every day. Make sure you deep water in the summer days. By deep watering, I mean you need to carefully, slowly pour water on the entire soil surface. Drench the entire soil surface till the water percolates down from the drainage holes. This is a sure shot sign that all the roots till the bottom of the pot have been drenched, and this will really help to strengthen your root system. हरी सब्जी उगाने के लिए आपकी जो मिट्टी है वो हमेशा मॉइस्ट रहनी चाहिए. So you can sprinkle water in this way, or else you can take a PET bottle, make holes in the cap, and this is how you can use it to sprinkle water evenly on the soil. This helps the soil to stay moist for a long time. In summers, water in the evenings so that the moisture stays in. This is for all the pots. You should water in the evening in summer season. Mulching is also very, very beneficial. You just cover the soil surface with dried leaves, and this really helps the soil. Here's a recap. Happy gardening. Stay safe, stay home.